Hey, what's up, guys? JP here, doing another video this weekend, and this weekend I got a nice surprise for you guys. JP's going on the road trip. You guys stay tuned. Check it out. So this is the restaurant that we're going to. It's called the Lady and Sons. I do believe it's the Paula Deen restaurant. Go inside and check it out. We're up on the 3rd floor of the Paula Deen restaurant. Got a nice table, and it looks like they got a buffet, but table as well. But I'm just gonna order off of the menu. Let me show you what they got on the menu. So they have appetizers. I think I'm gonna try the fried okra, and they got Paula's black pepper shrimp, and I'll see if the family wants to try that. But what I'm interested in is over here. This chicken Cajun pasta, spicy chicken, andouille sausage, bell peppers, and onions. So I definitely want to try that. And down here below is the pecan pie. So that's going to be my dessert. So just placed my order and order some sweet tea here at Paula Deen's restaurant. Let me show you what it looks like. They bring it out and they put some mint in it. So take a little sip. That's some sweet tea, y'all. So I just got my Cajun pasta with my dual sausage. It's time to give it a try. Cheers. That's actually pretty spicy, but it's good. The sausage is really good. The sauce that's in it, really good as well. I'm going to eat some more of this stuff. I'll bring you guys back. So we got some banana pudding, we got some peach cobbler, and some pecan pie a la mode. There we go. Nice and warm. Ooh, my bad, I'm sorry. That's good. That's some good pecan pie. And that ice cream is fantastic. You can really taste the pecans. It's full of pecans. But I don't know. I think it's the ice cream. The ice cream is really good. Yeah. Oh, that's good.
I want to try.
Try it, Mama. Get you some. She's gonna try the pecan pie with the ice cream. How is it, Mama? It's good ice cream? Well, there you go, guys. Paula Deen's restaurant, eating some pecan pie. Can't beat it. This is good. Just finished eating here at the Paula Deen restaurant. The food was fantastic. I had the shrimp as an appetizer. The fried okra was really good, and the Cajun chicken pasta was also very good. But I think out of everything here, her dessert, the pecan pie a la mode, was fantastic. It was really, really good. Best pecan pie I've ever eaten. But besides that, guys, I'm done here in Savannah, Georgia. It's time to head home. You guys do me a favor. Hit that little button right there on the side. Hit the subscribe. Hey, how you doing? And give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And we'll be talking to you guys later. Have a good one. Out here on the river at Savannah, Georgia. Big old tanker coming in. See if I can zoom in. Yeah. Carrying a lot of things into the docks.
Alright, well, I'll let y'all go.
We're gonna come over here and check out the waving girl. What's the story behind this lady? Florence Martis. That's that big old cargo ship behind us. Blowing a big old air horn. Wow, it echoes all the way down there. Now that's pretty cool.
Maybe it has to do with a waving girl. Maybe they gotta do that.
I don't know. Is there a story behind it? It don't say nothing here. May have to research it a little bit. Florence Martis, 1869 to 1943, Savannah's waving girl. And I guess she had a dog. Looked like a collie or something. There she is. Alright, good enough. What's it say back there?
Look at the boat.
That's a big boat. Oh, here it is. Her immortality stems from her friendly greeting to passing ships, a welcome to strangers entering the port, and farewell to wave them safely onward. All right, nice. Well, now we know who
That's
she
pretty
is.
cool.
And by the way, that ship is from the Philippines.
I know. Is it
You
from the
think so?
Philippines? How do you know?
I
it's
mean,
from
it says
the
Philippines over there, Costco Philippines.
Oh,
Whatever it's called.
man, that is a big old boat. Oh wow, we got to look at the rudder on the back side of it. I'm assuming that was probably the water line. The rust stops. Look how massive that rudder is back there. That's pretty cool. That's something you don't see every day. Things coming from Italia, Yang Ming, Evergreen, Costco. This thing is a massive boat. That's for sure. Let's see where it's from. Let's see the name of the boat on the back. Costco, Philippines, Hong Kong. That's interesting. Wow. Look at all those boxes. All those boxes got something in it coming into the port. Man. Well, people better take advantage of it because Trump's fixing to raise the tariffs. Looks like Savannah's got some Irish history as well. Check this out. That's pretty cool. To Americans of Irish descent, past, present, and future, Erin Goldbrock. Here's the memorial for it. Savannah's Irish and Robert Emmett Park. Looks like this guy, known as the Strand and later Irish Green because of proximity Irish residents. Savannah's Old Fort neighborhood. The park was renamed 1902 of the Irish patriot Robert Emmett, 1778 to 1803. Down at the bottom it says, Emmett is best known for his speech in which he asked that his epitaph not be written until my country takes her place among the nations of the earth. Pretty cool. Savannah got some Irish history. So we're all done here in Savannah, Georgia, guys. We had a wonderful time. Came down here and spent some time in the downtown area of historic Savannah. Got to eat at Paula Dean's restaurant and walked the strip down here next to the Savannah River. Wonderful. A lot of history out here and a lot of things that I didn't even know. So if you guys are ever interested in coming to Savannah, it's a wonderful spot to come and enjoy. And it's just a lot of history. But besides that, guys, I'm out. Do me a favor. That little corner right there, there's a little subscribe button. Hit that. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And it's time to go home. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.